I just had the performance of my lifetime.
Yeah.
I think it was those date cashew cookies.
Yeah, gotta make the cookies.
You gotta make the cookies, you know? Yeah. And my special guest today is Gianni Taylor, who is a hip hop musician. Welcome to my kitchen, Gianni.
Good to be here, man.
Yeah, welcome. All right. So today I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious date cashew cookie bars. It's just 4 ingredients into the blender, so.
Okay.
Grab a ball and just flatten it out. And we're gonna kind of flatten it out into like a little mini circle. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna give them a nice like crispy cookie texture. Okay. We got cookies. Cheers, my man.
Cheers, brother. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, yes sir, I need the whole box.
I need the whole box.